Hey, welcome to the Hennasooq channel. My name is Khadija and I specialize in henna, natural hair color, and Ayurvedic healthy hair care. Bring you the best DIY hair recipes for your wash day and helping you reach all of your hair goals. And today I'm going to be talking to you about two of my favorite and most proven hair growth herbs that work so well at promoting hair to grow. There's even studies on it. If you Google it, they speak for themselves. And I'm going to show you how to make this deliciously scrumptious hair mask and how to make it so creamy. So let's talk about these two Ayurvedic herbs that I love so much. My first love is the Amla powder. That's the first one that I came across, and one of the earliest herbs that we started carrying was definitely Amla powder. And why Amla powder? Because it promotes hair growth, and actually a side note, it could be used as an astringent facial mask too because it's high in vitamin C. But I love it. It's smooth, it's creamy, it smells like sweet tamarinds. If any of my Caribbean people here watching know about tamarinds, they know and can recognize that Amla smells so similar to that. I just love the sweet smell. It makes me think of my childhood. But Amla, honestly, it is just a great herb, and it just gets that hair going, get that growth going. And powders in general are always going to be more potent than a hair oil because it's an infusion. Amla, many people may not realize, but it does not produce its own natural oils. See, it's a fruit, right? And it doesn't produce oils. You can't just say Amla is going to give me oils. No, it has to be done in a method that they do for us, in India, where you're soaking it and macerating it to join in, with another oil, and then becomes infused, the benefits of that fruit infused in the oil itself. Usually like a sesame seed oil base is really good. If you haven't caught my videos about Amla oil, you definitely need to watch those next after you watch this video. And the second herb we got is the fenugreek, which, by the way, smells like maple syrup. So fenugreek is such a great herb for promoting hair growth, but the great thing, like the extra great thing about fenugreek is that it has a lot of mucilage, which, what does that mean? Then this mucilage, and that sounds kind of nasty, right? It means that it does have a lot of slip, and you don't even need a lot. It's an herb also that goes a really long way because it just expands like cream of wheat. So it's really cool. That's why it's very important that when you watch the recipe that I'm about to give you, you see how I mix it up. And then with that mixing method up, the way that I'm doing it, that really gets it really smooth and creamy, and just it gets it also from getting too thick, because it can really expand a lot, so you don't want it to go out of control. I added a little bit of Amla oil for extra hair growth, but these two herbs are going to be your best friends. Look, it says it in the back of the package. Your hair's new best friend.
Like the world was ending, when we pretend that it's alright, it's alright, it's alright. And if my mind is up in flames, would you stay with me through the night, through the night, through the night? Would you stay, would you stay through the night? if I felt like, if I felt like. Like the world was ending, would you tell me it's alright, it's alright, it's alright? And if my mind is up in flames, would you stay with me through the night, through the night, through the night? Would you stay, would you stay?
Now that we've made this recipe, I want you to click in the description below for the exact recipe and measurements that we just made. Right there in the description, head over there and try this recipe out now. Comment in down below. Let me know if you're gonna give it a try, and then you definitely gotta follow up and let us know how it came out. If you're on social media with us on our other pages, especially Instagram, tag us, and so we can see what you did and what your process was. Don't forget, I have videos coming out for you Tuesday and Thursday and Sunday every week. Hit that subscribe button and the bell so you get notified so that you can find the next video and not miss out on anything that I got going for you.
Would you